Another beautiful morning here, ladies and gentlemen. Another beautiful morning, nice and sunny and dry. Not really, but we're gonna make the best of it yet again today. We're gonna be heading down to the same trail section we were at yesterday, which is the wow, why can I not remember what it's called now? Oh yeah, Door Run Loop. We were having a blast down there yesterday until Mother Nature decided to rain on our parade, literally. So today we're gonna go back down there. We're gonna try to finish up the loop and mess around with some more trails. We have some new guys here that brought their Can-Am Outlanders. They're out to breakfast right now, but they're gonna be coming out as well. So we'll probably end up seeing them in the trails, I'm assuming. And then we have another guy, Doug, that's over there. Now he has a 300L, but he's actually bringing his KTM today. I believe that's a 250 SX, I believe, or EXC or XC. I don't know. I don't know the KTM two-strokes that well, but he's bringing his two-stroker today, it looks like. What else we got going on? Mine's warming up. Woo! Look at him smoking over here. Yeah. It's all that mud. Anybody want fried mud for breakfast? So we are getting ready. We're gonna head down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the road like we did yesterday, but we're gonna cut in near Williams Campground. If you guys are familiar, we're gonna cut in there and head down, and then we're gonna take a right into the Monday Creek trailhead and try the main corridor there and take that loop up into Door Run is what we're gonna attempt to do. Maybe it's bad, maybe it's good. We could always turn around. We'll play it by ear. We could always take the rest of the road if we need to, since we know exactly how to get there now, since we had to take the road back yesterday. Like I said, guys, we got absolutely torrential downpour on it, as you guys can see from the footage. It was a heck of a time. So when we got back here, we actually went to a local laundromat and we actually washed and dried all of our clothes. And we're just wearing our rain jackets right now just to block some wind this morning. It's a little chilly this morning. And yeah, and then we're gonna just continue here. We'll probably end up peeling these off, I'm assuming, halfway through the ride today, but it's only supposed to get up to like 60, which is not bad, but it's not also necessarily warm. It's definitely not as humid today though. Definitely not as humid today though, which is pretty nice. But you know, I gotta say, guys, we were using Ride Command from Polaris yesterday, and we have all three of us grouped up in a group now, and that's really nice because I can see exactly where everybody is on the map. I'm loving it. So we are getting ready and we're gonna head out, and I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. Nice, but we're here with our buddy Doug here that we met this weekend. So we are going to be heading into these trails. So yesterday, guys, we started going this way. Today we're gonna go that way. We're gonna loop it all the way back up and around and kind of meet up to where we left off yesterday, going in the opposite direction, but that's the way we're gonna go. All right, and we're off. I'll be caboose today. I am red. I always say that, but oh yeah. You're on that side now, Chief. There you go. Woohoo! It's gonna be one of them days. This is like a solid little climb this whole way. A little chillier up here, huh? So we got a good group with us today. Got one other person with us here, Doug, who happened to be camping with the campground with us. He doesn't have anybody to ride with today, so he said, can I come with you guys? Absolutely. I understand it. I wouldn't want to ride alone either, especially on a day like today. If it was dry, maybe a quick little in and out, but woo! Case in point, that couldn't have been timed any better. You never know. It's always good to be riding with somebody. I'm gonna do the same thing you did. I'm gonna try to hit that more straight on. Yep. Yep, I'm good. Yep. We're good. And beans, that's it. She's learning, everybody. You gotta give it beans. Bushes, if you're listening, I mean, you know. Email me. Woo! Did the same thing. Nice wheelie over that. And now we go back down. Okay. Big washout, he says. Let's see what we on the left. Oh, yep. Yep. Good call. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, look at him go. Look at Kyle go over there in my camera. I know. Look at that river in the middle. Well, yeah, what's with these leaps, bro? It looks like a giant pile. Yeah, it looked like a giant pile of things. Yeah, that's why I said you just heard either. It was probably Kyle who cracked it open, or it was that LTZ. Ah, this is cool, huh? Woohoo! Up to you. I mean, yeah, if you want to take one, go for it. Definitely a cool spot. We said we wanted to make it to this. Yeah. I like that trail so far. That was fun. It's all fun down here. I like it down here. Get some speed right here. Nice. So we never made it to this one yesterday. This is the exact trailhead that we were on our way looping to, but we never made it there because of the rain. So this is like the last section, but we're going in reverse now to complete the section. You follow what I'm saying? Yeah. And then we'll probably just end up riding everything we did, but in reverse. Or whatever. Wow, that was fun. A little up and down. Woo! Let you go ahead, babe. Sand down there? Okay. Cool. Where's the seagulls? Where's them seagulls at? Oh, I'm good. I'm right behind you. That was a fun climb. I like that climb. That was a fun climb. You know why? Because it was dry enough that you could transition left to right very easily and still maintain control. Whew. Let her go ahead and start. I almost went right there. I was like, I know. I was like, oh, maybe I should go right. It wouldn't have been bad. It's like surprisingly dry in that section. Ooh, look at this hill climb here. I just went first gear just to play it safe. Definitely could have done it in second, but just wanted to be... Well, and I stopped at the bottom, so I wanted to get first gear anyway, so I'm like, I'm not shifting halfway through this. I want you to have your space, you never know. Oh, this is cool. Going downhill around the corner. Ooh. I'm going right side. I went right side. I went around that little tree. Yep, that's what I'm doing too. I'm behind her now. I went around that tree in the beginning though, that little like cut around. That was smooth. Let her get a little bit more space, guys. There we go. Not too shabby. Nice. Wow, look at this river down here. Oh, we got utility quads. Oh. That's funny. Nice. So far, so good. It's crazy. All this water definitely washed all this out yesterday. Hey, piece of candy. Wow, that water's moving, man. Wow. Woo! Look at that. That's crazy. Uh-huh. Still a fun climb. The rocks definitely actually help you on that climb. Nothing out here in this area is like too difficult, so it's a lot of fun. She's moving, man. She's good. It's all good. I'm taking right. Woohoo! Drifted up that whole corner. Oh baby. You flung some red at me, it was good times. Back through the tunnel. Yes, it is. Woo! Yes, it is. Man, these berms are so much fun. Woo! Yeah. Oh, we picked the washout side. I was waiting for that. Now. Yeah, it was. He said that right. Excellent. And he got some footage and stuff, so I'm ready to keep going if you want.
Let's go do the rest of this loop. Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know how we got turned around. Let's go this way and do it.
I agree. This way's fun.